Hi everybody, it's Peter Zellum's GriniFlix Adventure 8. Welcome to another video. Today's video is about air compressors, and this is specifically the ARB air compressor and the air compressor hose. I have one here in my Troopy, which I take all over Australia, and the changing tyre pressures in outback Australia with corrugated roads and sand dunes and everything is a constant feat. So that is a really important component for outback travel. So I'm here at my GriniFlix Adventure 8 studio, and I've done a review about the ARB air compressor kit, and there's a different bunch of varieties that are out there now. This one's fairly old now, I suppose. It's 15 years old. And yes, here is the hose, and this particular hose, well, this is the high temperature ARB standard hose that seems to come with all the kits even today. So it says ARB, look, you can see here, ARB 4x4 accessory, and it is a high pressure hose, but what I have noticed is they do break. It is reinforced, and you can see that there is a sort of an internal component here, the reinforcement, and then this plastic, this orange plastic around it. It is a pre-formed hose, which means that it does coil like this, and that to me has been a pain in the neck, because every time you take it out, it is quite soft, this hose, and it does kink. So I've lived with it, and has broken a number of times, and I have done a repair. There is actually a video that I've done about repairing this, and but on my last trip, so that was last year, into Central Australia, the hose broke a number of times. And when I bought this 4x4 accessory from ARB, this air compressor, I actually bought another air compressor hose kit as well. So I had a spare hose, so I thought, oh yeah, I'm okay. When this hose broke, I thought, yeah, no problems, I'll just put on the new hose. Well, guess what? Another way this hose deteriorates or wears with time is whatever plastic components are in here does react to just moisture and air and everything. And both hoses have destroyed themselves, and they've gone to this critical stage where the hose just falls apart, cracks everywhere. Look at all these cracks. This hose was never used, it was just in the box. It happened to the same hose that I was using also, so it has a 15-year lifespan, probably more like 10 years I would say, before the hose itself destroys itself, just through reacting to air. Have you experienced this with the ARB compressor kits and this particular hose, ARB? If you watch this video, please do respond also. Oh, just a quick note, while you're watching this video, I'm not sure whether you knew, but I'm associated with a number of companies, and those companies can provide discounts to my viewers and subscribers. So all you need to do is go to adventure8.com.au, just click on the website. Yes, just go shop discounts, and you find all the different companies that I'm associated with. So for example, SwiftX, so you can set up a crypto exchange and get $10 worth of free Bitcoin. iTech World for camping, lithium batteries, backup systems for your home. Red Tiger for dash cams, Vamos electric bikes, and all sorts of different discount levels are available, and there are discount codes associated with each one of those, whether it be Adventure 8 or something else. So just go to the website. I hope you can take advantage of the discounts, and back to the video. Hence, I've been hesitant to actually go to ARB and get myself another hose. So I thought, let's investigate what the options are. Now, I know from my fitter and turner background, there is a company called Pertek, and they manufacture custom-made air hoses and hydraulic hoses for industry. So I went to Pertex. I said, I need an air hose. Can you provide a hose that's that fits the ARB connectors? Good news, bad news. The answer is yes and no. Yes, Pertex can provide a hose, but they have to provide their own fittings as well, because the hose that works with the ARB fittings is quite unique. It's actually quite soft, and that's probably one of the problems with this scenario. But anyway, the good news is that the Pertex fittings are compatible with the actual design of the fittings of the ARB. Here we are, a Pertex air hose. Now, what's so different about the Pertex air hose is that the actual hose itself is much tougher. The reinforcement, the internal and the external. It is a Pertex brand, so you can actually see here Pertex glass flex clear 6mm internal diameter hose, and it handles pressures up to 14 bars or 120 psi. So it's got all that's written here actually on the hose itself. So high pressure hose. Having lived with this hose, the things I didn't like, but okay, so you'd shove it into the compressor here, and then I'd have to basically unwind it, uncoil it, or doing all this sort of thing, and then to sort of go around to the tire and actually pump it up. And then when I want to put it back together, I'd have to sort of curl it up again in order to make it all fit back in there so it wouldn't kink over. Yes, I lived with it, but it was a pain in the neck. So with the Pertex one, straight away the fitting is slightly different. It's a retractable sleeve here, so you can, that's how you basically connect up, push and connect up. So the ends are very similar. So there's my trigger here. So very similar, slightly different design, same diameter, but basically pretty much identical. And then that fits into there. The good thing about this hose is it does have the markers here, the blue and the yellow marker here, so you can see where the twists are, uncurl it, and that way you've got a straight air hose now, and you can go around to wherever you need it. When I got this made up by Pirtek, they only had a 6 meter length, so that's what the length is. 6 meters is just about right for my car, because with 6 meters I can get around from the back where the compressor is, right around to the front, and then I can go around to the other side. And because it doesn't curl, I can get the full 6 meters. I think the ARB cable is 7 meters, but to uncurl it and to get the full 7 meters, well, you can do it, but again, it's a pain. And then this is compatible with the air hose here. Slightly different again, it is crimped, so if this does fail, it's going to fail around the edge here, in which case you take the crimp off, cut the hose, put the hose back on, get a hose clamp, one of those that are adjustable, put it on and then do it up again. So the repair on this should be pretty straightforward if I ever need to do a repair, if it does ever break. Yeah, so to my Anderson plug there, so now we've got power. And then we've got the pressure. All works. All right, so thank you Pirtek. I think this hose is going to be much better. I know with other water hoses that I have, or air hoses that I've got even from Bunnings, of this design, of the really high pressure hose that's reinforced, these hoses last forever. I've had hoses that are 20 years old and there's no deterioration in the hose. I'll say little deterioration in the hose. If they've been out in water, I think they can get quite brittle. But anyway, we'll see how. Check with me in 15 years time whether this hose survives or not. I have confidence in it. There you go. Comments, welcome your comments. If you had any experience with the air hose from ARB, the orange ones, the ones that curl up, and whether you've had the same experience where it just self-destructs within a 10 to 15 year period, just reacting to air, let me know. ARB, got any comments? Also let me know. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. That's how you support the channel. If it's the first time to my channel, you haven't already subscribed, do subscribe. You'll be notified when the next video is out. I do have more videos coming out on recent trips to Egypt, Patagonia on motorcycles, not Patagonia, to the Andes in South America, Argentina on motorcycles, and also Patagonia hiking in the high mountains, in the snow, etc. Yes, more videos coming out. Thanks again for watching. Look forward to seeing you on the next video. Cheers, bye.